A satellite of mass m, that is the mass of the satellite, capital M, revolves around a planet of mass small m. Mass of the planet is small m, okay, in an orbit of radius of the orbit, capital R, okay, with velocity v. Now show that its period t is related to radius r by the equation t squared equals to 39.44 r raised to power 3 over gm, universal gravitational constant g. So what we need to know here is that for a circular orbit, gravitational force provides the centripetal force. Now, gravitational force, which is given as force of gravity G, equals to m small m over radius, which is r squared, and then the centripetal force. So what we have here is that gravitational force equals to the centripetal force, and centripetal force is m v squared over r. So once we have this, m here, which is mass of the planet, cancel the mass here, m, then r here, cancel one of the r here, then it gives you v squared equals to g capital M over r. Now take, this is the velocity, now the speed. Let's proceed to next page. Alright, but period itself, capital T, is circumference of the circular part, that is 2 pi r, which is circumference, over the modulus of the speed around the circular part v. So if we put this here, that shows that if period is given as this, square of period, which is 2 square, will be 2 here, 2 pi r over v. Everything here will be squared. So let's proceed to the next page. If everything is squared, then you are going to have t squared equals to 4 pi squared with r squared, radius will be squared, over v squared. But we already had a value for v squared. V squared is gm over r. So put that into this equation. That shows that t squared will be 4 pi squared r squared over v, now gm over r. This is equivalent to 4 pi squared r squared divided by gm over r, and that is something as 4 pi squared r squared times this r, denominator becomes numerator, over gm, and then nothing is cancelling out. You have t squared now to be 4 pi squared r raised to power 3 over gm. Now pi is to be taken as 3.14, so you have 4 times 3.14 squared times r cube over gm. Now t squared is going to be 3.142 squared times 4. That is going to give us approximately 39.44 r cube over gm. Now that has settled the question. We also show that the square of the period equals to this. Proved.